What is up, you brilliant people, and welcome back to the channel where we decode the future, one bite at a time. I hope you're ready because the AI world has been cooking up some seriously wild stuff this week. Our top story today is something straight out of a sci-fi movie. We've all seen those films where a hero puts on a helmet and can suddenly control a computer with their thoughts. Well, put down your popcorn because that just took a giant leap from Hollywood fantasy to scientific reality. Or you're playing a video game and you think jump and your character jumps. Now, BCs aren't totally new, but they usually require intense brain surgery and look like something out of a mad scientist's lab. No controller, no keyboard, just your brain. The main event. Your brain can now talk to a computer what happens when you have a random, weird thought and your computer accidentally posts it to your company's Slack channel. Thinking about how a penguin would wear pants ... whoops. Or what about thought privacy? This is a new frontier and it's both exhilarating and a little bit terrifying. The line between our thoughts and our technology is starting to dissolve. They use a network of drones and hidden sensors that feed real-time video and sound into an AI model. This AI is trained to instantly recognize the sound of gunshots, illegal vehicles, or even human voices in protected areas. When it detects a threat, it automatically alerts park rangers with the exact location, allowing them to respond in minutes instead of hours. It's a homegrown African solution using AI to protect some of the world's most endangered animals, a huge win for both tech and wildlife. It could give them the ability to communicate, to control robotic limbs, and to interact with the world in ways that were previously impossible. We have AI connecting directly to our minds, connecting conservationists to endangered animals, and connecting lawyers to the information they need. Imagine controlling your smart home just by thinking about it. Dim the lights, turn on the coffee maker. It shows us that AI is at its best when it's helping us interact with the world and with each other in more powerful ways. Until next time, stay curious. It didn't just memorize laws. It was able to reason through complex legal scenarios and write persuasive arguments. Well, it's not going to be replacing human lawyers tomorrow. This means that powerful AI assistants could soon be helping lawyers with research, drafting documents, and finding case-winning precedents in a fraction of the time. It's a massive efficiency boost for the entire legal industry. Imagine a musician composing an entire symphony without ever touching an instrument. It's a life-changing breakthrough that offers hope and independence. Okay, picture this. You're sitting at your desk, and instead of typing, you just think about the email you want to write, and the words appear on the screen. And it's coming for your job, just kidding ... mostly. This week, researchers at a leading university, in partnership with the AI company Synchron, published a groundbreaking paper on a new brain-computer interface, or BCI. This new device, however, is a game-changer. You go to their website and type in a wild prompt, like a pizza that tastes like a pirate adventure or a pizza that represents the feeling of a rainy Sunday morning. The AI then generates a recipe with a weird combination of ingredients like rum-infused pineapple for the pirate pizza or mushroom, truffle oil, and smoked salt for the rainy day pizza. They actually make it for you. It's a hilarious gimmick, but it's also a cool example of how AI is being used for creative and sometimes delicious product design. It's a tiny, flexible mesh that can be inserted into the blood vessels of the brain through a small incision in the neck. No need to crack open your skull. Once it's in place, it uses incredibly sophisticated AI algorithms to listen to your brain's neural signals. The AI learns to recognize the specific patterns your brain creates when you think about doing something like moving a mouse cursor or typing a letter. So, how does this affect us? For people with severe paralysis, this is nothing short of a miracle. But let's look at the future this unlocks for everyone else. Of course, it also opens up a whole can of worms, right? AI news, a bird's eye view. Alright, time for a quick flight over some other mind-bending AI news from across the planet. First, a major win for AI and conservation in Kenya. This is awesome. A Kenyan tech startup called Data for Wild just secured major funding for its AI-powered anti-poaching platform. Next, AI just passed the bar exam. A new legal AI model, developed by a company called LexiMind, just became the first AI to score in the top 10% on the uniform bar exam, the notoriously difficult test that human lawyers have to pass. And finally, your AI-generated pizza is here. This is a fun one. A pizzeria in Austin, Texas, is letting customers design their own pizzas using a generative AI. The takeaway? So, what's the big theme this week? It's all about connection. The technology is becoming a bridge between our thoughts and our actions, between a problem and its solution. The future is connecting, and we're all part of the network. Hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. What AI news blew your mind this week? Let me know in the comments below.